Good afternoon, YouTube friends. My name is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. So here's a project I'm working on today. And I'm doing it by myself, so it's not really a fun project. But I'll let you take a look-see. The plan is putting these solar panels up on the roof. There's one, there's two. I've already got two on the roof already. I'm adding to my 18 panels over there. I got 18 290 watt panels. And what I'm planning on doing today is I'm going to put up 4 290 watt panels and 4 300 watt panels. So I'll show you where I'm putting them. Got quite a few panels. Going up there. I'll show you where they're going to go. Right up there. I've got enough room up there to put 8 panels. Like I say, 4 290 watt panels and 4 300 watt panels going right across that roof. I'm going to add that as a second line to my other panels, which is out front. So that's today's project. Those are my panels for my shop. So my shop's on a totally separate solar system. And I'll probably end up running a couple of underground lines, probably just a couple of 14-2 lines from my shop over to my house, just in case for some freak reason something goes wrong with my inverter inside. Then that'll give me some backup hydro. So that's the plan for today, and we'll just see how it goes. Well, there you have it. I'm done for the day. Couple of things. These are the types of screws I'm using. This is a metal roof. This has got a metal washer and a rubber washer. Thing is, if you don't use a rubber washer, then water could run down that screw and into your roof. So another thing, these are the brackets I used. When I screw this into the roof, I do have a rubber washer here, but that's not to say that water can't come underneath. So what I've done is the top screws are the only ones that are on the roof right now fastened. The bottom brackets are not fastened yet. What the plan is I'm going to loosen the top screws a little bit. I'm going to lift up that panel just ever so slightly and put some silicone under this bracket, then tighten the screw up on the bottom. Once I get the bottoms all tightened up with silicone under them, then I'll go up to the top. I'll pull the screws out, put some silicone under here, and then fasten it down. So even though there's a rubber washer, like I say, you can still get water underneath this bracket. So by doing that, you're not going to have any water. So another thing, before you comment, is I should have been tied off. And you're right, I should have been tied off. Problem is, I'm by myself. I didn't have anything solid to tie off to. And I took my time, and it worked out well. Not to say that's an excuse for being on a roof like that without being tied off. And it's one of those jobs where I wouldn't want to get somebody to help me do it because I would be afraid of having somebody fall off my roof. So I did it by myself. And it was a chore and a half, but now it's done. So, like I said earlier, I've got 4 300-watt panels, and I've got 4 190-watt panels. So, no, 290-watt panels, yeah. 4 300-watt panels and 4 290-watt panels. I'm looking at my charge controller, and I can put more panels. So probably more than likely tomorrow I'll put a few more panels further over on the other side. So by the time I'm done, between the two sets of panels, I'm going to be bringing in 8,000 watts into the house. I've got my charge controller is inverted on all-in-one. It's what is it? EG4. Anyways, my charge controller and my inverter is all in one, and it'll take up to 8,000 watts. So that's the thing. Basically, I still got to do some work on the wiring, of course. It's all hanging there, but they're up. My wife said to me, let's get her done while the weather's nice. So now it's done. So thank you for visiting my channel, and we'll talk to you next video.